In this video I will show you how you can reset Renault Dacia this service reset. Okay, first ignition off, then on, then see here, press this button. Here you can see service required, then hold, press and hold. See, hold and oil change in 0 km and release, and then another time hold it. Here you can see blinking 10,000 and finish. Release it. Off ignition, on, start car. Great success. See, if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.